Kamataya Pauping Zingyat Kangache Mikumowi Sakshman Otsa Kala Terror Department Willi Kavatsangda Ukruli Terror Katangwi Sipkasa Marhaira ADC election Takta Sami Kwai Tangoshin Alongna Shorgali Katonghaira Ukraine Kamjong District we create Winter Games Hapokhaira Leikyangator Achet the Dangkol Express Pau Tangmaring Chodang in a Pamidale Pauping Mesaina Nganang Rumsa Ukruli Kumbai the Terukatang he Pau Katarmaning Mana Ukruli Terukatang we Kajot Yarina Pungrada Sang Shunhaira Pipeline Makalabing Shina Rukong Uru Pazat La Pipeline Connection Later La Kachunka Shili Terum Tada Masampangla Laya Yarina Kajoti Tailaga Terukatang we Maramli Ishi Titina Kangating Taran Terra Kamili Gasakavat Nateda Kalay Takui Hera Ukruwi Tang Terra Timanhi Leader Lak Trada Mati Trada Pangakaya Ka Ukru Water Reservoir Dangni Tang Ungazang Leader Lak Panga Truk Mangmana Chita Haugada Terra Hi 14 to 15 lakhs Leader Kakaka Tangdangni Ngatada Mimaronachia Terra Department we Executive Engineer Temrishang Marina Gahang Atamahli Shuroi Gapungli Terra Hongtab Lesada Ukruli Terra Supply Sakmi Mawat Samana Ka Miping Tingrong Turkatek Kapung Mai Gachui Kala Mi Mataik Sang Miping Witiman Chung Sang Hina Maram Sada Ngalay Teng Sang Maman Haida Terra Hi Krewi Kohong Tada Mahong Tura the Hanga Chimang Maningla 2017 Mora Cyclone Maram Sada Shurui Urok Pamli Semghai Structure Sakzami Hawachia Kreli Lineman Work Charge Shakalang Lesaya Aragachungana retired Sahagada Aruri staff and workers Ngurumda Mi Tumramang Ledalea Manipur government we downsizing policy Karaina engineer bing Maningla staff recruitment he Targar Salala Mushok Lak to the Hanga Pipeline ni Kakai Gate Kalehi Tang Gajida Yang Vami Ka Apam Gadongli Tang Kali Mavapai Karar Laikapta Chigata Atam Liva Tangwi Mipina Kalata Sagakuilang via the executive engineers in a hanga Kamiping na Masakara Atam Liva office with staff li Hangaga Atumna Kakai Gate Kalechi Yang Sangmi at the hanga Terwi Zona Reservoir Heat Treatment Site li Maningla Ayarli Clay 30 to 50,000 liter capacity he Mukudagatum Laidale Main water treatment site li later clay water reservoir chi 20 lakhs liter la 13.5 liter na buffer stock savaya Kazing kang makeup kachuiwang terror reserve sahida clay hili mipingwi pasale masaza kabai chemical bleaching powder lime falcon katumhi shichina kala teng maithui kachi atamni water tanker aina supply samia Terror department agahang atishuda ari terror pipeline legal connection thinka shakatum shikalaya Kala connection Makale Tingatum Shapanga Shikakaya New Development Bill Langdangni Project Hapokhaira Sai Kaji Ajawan Panit Panao Atamna Hapkano Hauda Matada Masarala Rahawa Project Chi February Maroon Kajangni Matalak Aina Hapokhara Gala Chi Kupkahai Aina Ukru Downli Terumang Rin Madakale Mipingning Rin Mikvai Sasir Haura Dahanga Ngainga Aina Ukruwi Taring Lemni Kale Makui Kong Aina Terukui laga honpon aung tangli mikvaiwi project la ngaran mahongdali dahanga. NTP project wi Korinva Ukruli pipeline mangrin la khalei Shimlak pingli 2024 li ngarin mikvai hotna da khalena. Ukruli Teruwi awareness campaign li Singrod Shijin Gokui rainwater harvesting pipe fixing kala Terugatang hikathawi maramli kumgumli sami michia dahanga. Terror department we executive engineer Temishangna Yarili Khang Terror Gatang Atam Kala Apam Sahawgada Terror Hi Thangmailak Aina Shijin Roxa Kala Kapungni Mai Sugada Ting Tugade Kala Ahanglui Katakasahi Masakavai Kala Terror Kami Tingrong Jungmaida Lingsangda Preserve Sakvai Sasada Hangchipuna Shiroi Lili Nidre Maralanga Autonomous District Council election Samikvai Tangoshinau Longna State Rogali Bohaira ADC election ngasonra da khalai hi tribal naubing wiwang democratic mission makhami ainang raichai kje hangda Manipur Hills districtly local self government ling sakwai ADC election hi magasam sabai manada DSL president Thingrepi Lunghawan hanga Hill districtly grassroots government Malayla Jingkum Khani Langda Rahai Rachita the Sada Yarina Katakwe Alungli ADC election Ningchangdale. Election ji Shirui Lili Festival Mararang Laka Samika Para La Maning Aka Kazing Kamar Adam Mararang Laka Saming Sakngaya da DSL Nahanga. All Tribal Student Union Manipur Nala ADC election Takta Sami Kwai Timan Sarashum Gahaina Kaji Hangsanga. Yukruwi Rijum now Mishan Tangkai Shanausan Sada local self government Quiraluing Shitkvai Shanausan Nala Timan Sakvai Mashun Layeda Hangsanga. Lakwak the Shanghai Express na Ngatinga Kui Atishura Townwi Yarwi Gatana Pingwi Ningli ADC election Masak Michi Shorkar Mangli Mapenmana Hill Areas Committee Member we Magashabla Zangdale La Tribals MLAs we Magagashungla Zanga Kachi Kapaning Lake Kaptale Kapungbamli local self government Makalay Ena development Matada Malaytura Kachi Hangda Yarwi Gatana Pingla Yarwi Lam Matukavai Shanao Long Gatana China Hangsanga Itum na Thaibai Achagum Kayon December Kajang Manipur X ADC Members Pingwi Forum na Maramji Prime Minister Narendra Modi Lila Kuivada Autonomous District Council election delay Masalui Kavai Ngakau Gahaina Chui memorandum la BM li Misangala Forum China Union Home Minister Amit Shah Lila Maram Chuiwang Akauwa Gahaina Itum na Paningung Pai 2015 to 2020 Wivang ADC election 2015 Kumsada Chui January 2020 kum May Karam Gajang Umbai Gahaina. Chui Aina Ngururi Gahai Maram Mamila ADC election Acha Aina Tangda Shogarna Masami Rangajina. Ukraine Kamjong District Wikre Winter Games Habukaira. Sports and PWD Minister Govindas Konthojam Singh na Ukraine Kamjong District First Winter Games chi Thargat Kamida Ukraine Headquarters li Rungmida kle Ranye chile Commandant 35 Assam Rifle Colonel Manoj Sinde Somsai ATM Ukraine Junglengmang Kipken Additional SP Ukraine Syed Samir Ahmad Kamjong Olympic Association with President Ngchonmi Ramchang Kala Ukraine ena Kamjong District li leader kle sports discipline ngate de wi mingning pingla watsanga Govindas Gonthojam Singh na gahang Manipur wi sports ena crown infrastructure development wibang lupa crore hangphanga earmark sami haidale Kala Ukraine District li badminton hall sem kwai lupa lakh mak earmark saira chia volleyball ena basketball games promote sak vai wibangla ministry na talents phashokra kala training Jehovah Chuivang Yukru Kamjong Kala Senapati District li main focus Sarada Govindas na hanga. Minister Govindas Konthojam na Imphal Yukru Shongfu Makamatha Thaiguida Lansinrin Matha Maikwai Wivang connectivity Kamatha Tarkar Sada Chuivang Yarina Cooperation Mikwai Boya. Yukru Olympic Association with President La Sada Kalaya First Winter Games 2023 Organizing Committee with Chairman Presho MK Shimrena Kahang Olympic Association China Players Kathem now Machut Kuida Atumli train Salaga state and national level li Ngahan Shap Ngasakangaina. Ukraine Kamjong District Kare Winter Games Chile Kangreo now Shaji Shatkada Shuru Kuidale. Ngahanji Rakra Tarik Matithang Kupsangra. Games Chile Ukraine District li Kale registered Sag High Sports Discipline Magada Mati Zangdale the Hanga. First Winter Games 2023 chi Ukraine Kamjong Olympic Association Nangarumda Makok Kamina. Mahatma Gandhi wi kathi Simiksho Angsut Ungushung Machut Indiana Martyrs Day Mayon Haira. Manipur lila Shorgar Kathana Bingna Gandhi Memorial Hall Imphali MK Gandhi li Paning Ungda Khayakshi Ranye Ayakwika Haira. Kazip Chile Mahatma Gandhi wi Miman Bamli Wonrui Kuivakami Governor La Kaneshana Msowasada Vazanga. Chile ministers aina departments ngate de we officials ping la wazanga mawan sa ga haya Mahatma Gandhi le khayak shi chitheda atumna minute khani chingri ga hai atam la mayona pangaga khudlai sing aina maning la chingri ga hai phaikar aina ngale wi ningkhan sampanghang sakli kathana Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi wi 75th death anniversary phaning rokta India we apam ngate de dali yarina mayon rokhaira kazip Chile CM Piren la wazangda Gandhi le khayak shi bamia Father of the nation Mahatma Gandhi li Paniungda ana Shurjithe Gahai Ahimsa aina Satyagraha Jina Arila Tingnam Ting inspired Safarada CM Piren Hanga. PM Modi na Swachh Bharat Abhiyan hapok khamijila ngalei hi termatheng da hai kwai kanti wi ningrinli ngasunda ksana da piren na hanga Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee nala Mahatma Gandhi le floral tribute mida Congress Bhavan Imphal khya shi gzip khigaya MBCC wi functionaries aina youth wi gathana ping wajanga Congress Party CLP gathana o ipopi kaikhangam aina MPCC President K Megachandra athum Srinaka le Bharat Yodo Yatra le wajang hauda India le khuiga kanti wi floral tribute gzip chili mawajang chua Tripura State Assembly election wivang Tripura Chief Minister Manik Sahana nomination file sahira Chile Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh aina Assam Chief Minister Himanda Biswa Sharmala ngasovaya Tripura Bulls February Maroon Tarik Tharada Trukli Sagida Chui nomination Migasang Ayana Kanawang Saya Tripura Chief Minister Manik Sahana Town Porotowali Assembly Constitution we aina nomination Misang Haira Nomination Mawa Misangrang Lakha Tripura Chief Minister na Akarta Lali Road Show Sara Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh Aina Assamwi CM Himanda Biswa Sharma Anila Chili Wazanga CM N. Biren na Ponda Akarta Lali Khale Manipuri Communities Temple Puthiba Laifam Lila Yarwili Asampanga Tripura Kavachi Birening Soda PHET Minister L. Susindrola Wazanga Atum Ayang Langda Imphali Hanung Hairajia Itumui Tochan Kathai Tarkar Sabhlunga Kji Union Minister of State for Education and External Affairs Dr. Rajkumar Ranjan Singh na Hanghaira Glory of Medieval India Manifestation of the Unexplored Indian Dynasty 8 to 18th Century Kjiwe Exhibition Kusale Minister Dr. Rajkumar Ranjan Singh na Maso Osada Wagazangli Kamutui Lighang Itumui Awa Ye Atamu Ena Raghai Mirinye Kala Mishanwe Tochan Kanutot na Tablungra Tochanji Class 8 we ena hapokta undergraduate level aina tangda we kadam nobing na Thairana Kji Hanga Exhibition J Indian Council of Historical Research Ministry of Education Government of India na Lalit Kala Akami New Delhi li Makhokamina Dr. Rajkumar Ranjan Naghang Itumingale India hi Oguthui Mirinye Ramakap Kji Lizanga Kala Chi Maya Kapai Akhang Saya Parliament Budget Session Aja Habokhaira Chuivang Shogarna Ngoda All Party Meeting Pomhaira Kuzipchi Parliament House Complexly Kwikada Parliamentary Affairs Minister Prahlad Joshi Union Minister Kala Houses Kaniniwi Floor Leaders Wazanda Shogarna Political Parties Saikorowi Cooperation Pohaira Budget Session Aja Habokta Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha we joint sittingly President Draupadi Murmu nala address Sagita Ledale Session with Zimisho Kretang Economic Survey Table Sara Dalaya Union Budget 2023 to 24 Akama Jiteraja Khelo India Youth Game Kapanga Aya Madhya Pradesh li Habokhaira Union Information and Broadcasting Sports and Youth Affairs Minister Anurag Singh Thakur Kala Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan na Ngreong Hanje Aya Ngazin Pungshini Titi Nagar Stadium Pobali Tharkat Kamia Ranye Chile Union Minister of State for Sports Nisit Brahmanik Kala Dignitaries Kataila Wazanga MBLA Rumida Kalaing Hanjli India we Kangreo now think through Kada Sports Discipline Makadashini Wivang Han Gidale Kala Chile Manipur Mathada Sarak Jikajihan Ledale Manipur players Khelo India team ni YAS Minister K Govindas na Ajonthang Flag of Samida Wazang Haira Director of YAS Pulendro Nagahang Manipur we Kangreo now being the team Kala individuals event psychorally medal Sampang Lakra Kaji Shitsangdale Khelo India Youth Games 2022 ji Semisho Thrada Kathum Thangwivang Rungmida February Maroon Tarik Thrada Akathang Kupsangra Ngahanje Madhya Pradesh Bhopal Indore Ujjain Jabalpur Gwalior Mantla Palakat Kala Maheshwar Apam Chishadli Rungmigi Kichina Sikimli Inner Line Permit Ling Sakavai Hamro Sikkim Party President Phaijung Phudhiana Bohaira Ajahan Mathang Congress we Bharat Yodo Yatra Srinakali Zata Phaijung Phudhiana Congress Kathana Rahul Gandhi ena Priyanka Gandhi li Sampanga Sikkim Legislative Assembly li Sikkimese Nepali seats Ling Sakavaila Phudhiana Gandhi li Ngasanhaira Assembly seat li Sikkimese Nepali seat Malay Maragaji Supreme Court Twitter Katali Indian Sikkimese Ping Gujungali Ayar Ngalay Wimina da Kuimi Hawo Gaji Maram Phaijung na Rahul Aina Priyanka li Phajitheda Sit High Committee Restore Sami Kwai Kala Ayang Lay Wimi Rakamanat Aina Ngak Mi Kwai Sikkim Lila ILP Implement Kasamaramli Yang Sang Mi Kwai Congress Katana Kani Chili Pohaira La Luida Aju Wikamataya Pauping Singyat Kangache Mikumawi Sakshman Otsa Kala Terror Department Wili Kawat Sangda Ukruli Terror Katangwi Sipkasa Marhaira ADC election Takta Sami Kwai Tango Shinau Longna Shorgali Katong Haira Ukraine Kamjong District Wikre Winter Games Hapokhaira Aju Wipau Haling Jangaira Paung Nada Klinatum Sai Korali Ringapagala Kamai Zing Shong Sasirana